Okay, we'll go over another command that we have here, and we are going to hit the slash, subscribe, type, um, and the other one is basic. Okay, so we'll pick that one. Just like the other one, we have our asset type, time frame, ticker. We are going to pick crypto here, and we'll do the higher time frame. And we're going to put in a BTC here. Um, this apparently does not accept the multiple tickers. I will update the bot so that it accepts them. Um, what this command line here is going to do is it's going to subscribe you to crypto on the higher time frame for BTC. When we hit enter here, what will happen is you will get every single dot alert that comes into the system, red flashing, red confirmed, green, gold, yellow, rocket. So you will get all of those alerts that will come over into your private channel over here. If you chose to run your phone battery down, vibrating and beeping all day, you could turn the ping option on for this as well. True will ping you when that takes place. So I don't want that to happen. And so when I go ahead and hit enter here, it's going to send the command into the bot. Now I'm subscribed to Bitcoin on the higher time frame for all alerts that come in for that one.